Rambam Health Care Campus is proud and honored to bestow the 2023 Rambam Award upon Dr. Tal Zaks in recognition of his role in leading the development of a life-saving COVID-19 vaccine that contributed to global recovery from the pandemic, and in honor of his passion and effort to benefit humankind through pharmaceuticals, serving as an inspiration for researchers at Rambam Health Care Campus. Born in Haifa, Zaks studied math, physics, and chemistry at Reali High School in Haifa and developed an interest in medicine and healthcare.
The greatest motivating factor for me in my career has been the ability to translate the wonderful world of science that I and my generation find ourselves part of to the world of medicine.
The quest for a cancer cure eventually made Zaks a leader at Moderna Therapeutics, where his pioneering efforts resulted in the development of the coronavirus vaccine.
We had a breakthrough in the spring of 2020. Now we knew, this was going to work. We had to make sure that we could translate this wonderful medicine into something of benefit to as many people as possible. What greater motivation can a physician ask for?
Zaks was deeply inspired by his family, who nurtured flexibility, insatiable curiosity, and the desire to learn, with a rare and healthy attribute for introspection.
My greatest inspirations for life have been my parents, my late father, Joseph, for instilling in me the love of abstract science and intellect, and my mom, Sarah, who taught me that reading the other person, bringing it all to a humanistic level, is really what matters. My uncle Moshe, who, like Moses, the son of Maimon, spent his professional life translating his love of intellect into seeking of justice. And finally, I should mention the two scientific giants on whose shoulders I stand as a pupil, the late Shraga Segal, who was my mentor in Beersheba, and Stephen Rosenberg from the U.S. National Cancer Institute.
Zaks has been deeply impressed by both Rambam Health Care Campus and Maimonides, the Rambam.
Here was a man who managed to figure out how to reconcile all of Jewish deep thinking with what was then modern rational thinking and put it together in something that we called Guide for the Perplexed. And yet today, who among us is not one of the perplexed? He did not practice his wisdom in the ivory towers or the back rooms of a synagogue.
Zaks has also been touched by the physicians here at Rambam Health Care Campus.
Rambam is part of home. It's where my father was born. It's where I received my first ever first aid lessons in the then new Rapoport Medical Building before becoming a volunteer in the Haifa Magen David Adom as a high school student. Rambam is where I said goodbye to my grandfather, and Rambam is where I visited my dad in 1999.
Rambam's Honorary Awards Committee is proud to present Dr. Tal Zaks with the 2023 Rambam Award.
Receiving the Rambam Award instills in me a tremendous sense of humility. To be bestowed with this honor for me as a physician who has been spending his life trying to translate our current science into medicine, there really can't be any greater honor. Thank you.